In this video, I will show you how to get verified on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. And once you're on your profile page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now in the Settings menu, click on Account. In the Account section, you will see this option, Switch to Business Account. Click on it and you will land on screen like this. Here click on Next and then again click on Next. And now you have to choose a category that best describes your account. After this, click on Next and then enter your email address when prompted. And then click on Add to complete the switch to a business account. And once you're done, go back to your settings and privacy and scroll all the way down and click on Report a Problem. In Report section, choose Account and Profile and then from the drop down, click on Profile Page and it will bring you to a page like this. Here again scroll down and click on Other at the bottom of the list. And here it will ask you if the issue was resolved. So click on No and then click on Need More Help. And a window chat will open up like this. So what you have to do is write I need verification for my account. And TikTok will reply you with instructions including a link where you can fill out the verification form. So click on the link and now fill out the required fields like your name, email, username, and once you have completely filled the requirements, submit your application and TikTok will notify you by email and within the app about the status of your verification request.